Welcome to a tutorial, another great one. So this one we're going to just be looking at how to blur and merge an image across another one. So for example, we're going to take the Chrome logo here and we're going to merge it into the clown face. So let's do that. So all you do is just resize it to what you need, so it fits basically the covering of most of the object that you want. And then you can change the opacity, and then if you go up to the toolbar, edit, transform and warp, and then that should allow you to warp it. And if you've changed the opacity, then you should be able to make the adjustments. And just keep adjusting it so roughly you get all of it across. And then you can choose the color blend, and you just do that from the layers menu, and there's all the different options that you've got in the color blend, and you look for the best one. So that's the best one I feel. And then we're just going to erase some of the nose to bring the color back in, and you can erase the teeth if you want. I'll let you do that. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching. Hope you can like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.